Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker QCY SP7 from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And right here at the third line we have a button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave your speaker at the device list. Then in the future you can easily reconnect it. And if you select to unpair your speaker, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So if you need this, you need to select Forget this device button, not disconnect. But let's disconnect it. And as I said, I just stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave it at the device list and I can easily, right now, reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!